All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of my pick one with the two Euchers and the Kramer and the Rogers ring base. Two-man entry, we have Ollie against Scott. Ollie with 15, Scott with 5. So we'll check the time, August 21st at 1:32 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have August 21st at 1:32 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ollie. Spot number 6 is your winner. So Ollie, get with me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 21st, 1:32 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.